All right, coach. Team came away with just a point tonight. Is it a point gain or a 2-point loss?
Well, it's a positive for us. As you would have seen our last few games, we haven't been doing as well as we did today. It's just unfortunate that we were unable to score, but we defended well against this Waterhouse team, and we're going to take this as a positive result going into the next games.
Are you disappointed with the strike force, because quite a few chances that you guys didn't necessarily capitalize on it?
I wouldn't say disappointed, but I would have hoped that we could have converted. So we're just going back to the training pitch and see how we can improve on that for the rest of the season.
I say, pleased with in the 6 players position, same coach.
Yeah, definitely, we're still in. Definitely, we're still in with a chance. We're 8th place. I mean, we're close to 6th place, so we still have a shot in. We have about 6 games to go. If we are able to win those games, then we can amass a total of 44 points. So we're looking to get there. And once we win our games, then we're hoping that we can be in the top 6. That's the game. But as long as we're in the playoff, it's an opportunity to go further.
All right,